Hi, welcome to Vegan Finds. It's Cheese Week. So today we are cooking up a spinach and feta cheese quiche. Stick around and I'll show you how to do it. So we're going to saute the onions until they're translucent. That's the word I was looking for. Translucent. Here is some organic spinach that we're going to cook down before we add the rest of our ingredients. Our spinach is wilted, so I'm going to take some of the Violife provolone and I'm going to melt that in. Just kind of want to mix it through to get the spinach to have a little bit of a taste. I have about 3 slices cut up. And as you can see, it's starting to melt. Now I'm going to place in my Violife feta cheese. And we just kind of want to melt this until the squares are not so large. As you can see, it's starting to melt into the spinach, which is what we want, because the spinach is going to take up the flavor of that feta really nicely. Just kind of want to melt it together.
Smells good.
It smells just like feta. Alright, so that looks about good. So I'm going to get our pie crust ready, and I will see you in a minute. What we have here is a wholly gluten-free pie shell. It's also certified vegan. They ethically source their palm oil, so I'm going to trust because they have the vegan heart on there. And we're just going to fill our pie shell with our spinach, onion, feta, and provolone. Mixture. Oh, doesn't that look good?
It does.
Nice and cheesy. And to that, we're going to add a little bit of our just egg. We just want to cover it. Doesn't have to be the whole bottle. Just want to cover it. Alright. So we're going to stick this in the oven at 350. First I'm going to finish it off with some pepper. And I'll see you when this is done. So here's our finished product. It cooked about an hour. Depending on your oven, it may cook longer or shorter. Just stick a fork in it, and if it comes out clean, it is done. So if you like these recipes, We would like you to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below if you've tried something, share, and we will see you next time.